Have you received an offer from a cash home buyer and wondered if it's legitimate? If you're facing foreclosure, job loss, probate, costly repairs, or financial stress, a cash sale can sound like the perfect solution. No repairs, no showings, no waiting for bank financing. But here's what many homeowners don't realize. The same speed and simplicity that attract legitimate cash buyers also attract scammers and inexperienced investors who may never be able to close. Today, we're going to show you how to protect your equity, verify a buyer's credibility, and avoid common cash home buyer scams. I'm Julie with Vortex REI. First, let's understand what a cash buyer actually is. A cash buyer is an individual or company purchasing your property without relying on traditional mortgage financing. Because there's no lender approval process, transactions can often close in days rather than weeks. That's why many homeowners choose cash buyers when they're dealing with foreclosure, probate situations, job relocation, inherited properties, major repair issues, financial hardship. The trade-off is that most cash offers come in below retail market value because the buyer is assuming risk, repair costs, and holding expenses. And while thousands of legitimate investors close fair transactions every year, not every company advertising "we buy houses" is financially capable of following through. The catch: how scams happen. Most scam operators use two things: pressure and complexity. Walk away with little or no consequence. Common red flags include refusing to provide proof of funds, asking you to sign immediately, long inspection periods with no deadline, assignment clauses that allow the contract to be transferred without your approval, unexpected fees added at closing, constant excuses about why funding is delayed. One of the most common tactics is what we call a bait and switch. The buyer offers one price upfront, ties up your property for weeks, then returns right before closing, demanding a lower price. At that point, many homeowners feel trapped because they've already turned away other buyers. Remember this: a signed contract does not guarantee the buyer actually has the money to close. The Vortex REI 3-layer verification process. At Vortex REI, we believe homeowners deserve transparency. That's why we recommend a simple 3-step verification process before signing any agreement. Step 1. Verify proof of funds request. Written proof of funds dated within the last 30 days. Acceptable documentation includes a bank letter on official letterhead, a recent bank statement with sensitive information redacted, a lender commitment letter. If a buyer can't provide documentation, that's a warning sign. Step 2. Verify the company's history. Research the company. Look for business registration, online reviews, recent transactions, seller references. And don't just ask for references, actually call them. Step 3. Have the contract reviewed. Before signing, have an experienced escrow officer or attorney review the agreement. Pay special attention to assignment clauses, inspection contingencies, closing deadlines, seller concessions. A small investment in professional review can save thousands of dollars later. In conclusion, if you're considering selling your house as is in Oregon, don't focus only on the offer price. Focus on the buyer's ability to perform. The strongest offer isn't always the highest offer. It's the offer that actually closes. At Vortex REI, we provide proof of funds upfront, use straightforward contracts, and focus on helping homeowners understand all available options before making a decision. If you're facing foreclosure, dealing with an inherited property, struggling with expensive repairs, or simply want to understand your options, visit vortexrei.com or contact our team for a no-pressure consultation. We're here to help you make an informed decision that protects both your timeline and your equity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and check out our other homeowner education resources. We'll see you in the next video.